It's time to learn about job clusters now. Imagine a delivery truck just like this that appears only when an order is placed and disappears once the delivery is complete. Job clusters in Databricks works the same way. They are temporary compute resources created to run a job and shut down immediately after. This design ensures cost efficiency, isolation, and reliability for scheduled or automated workloads. In practice, job clusters keep production pipelines lean by using compute only when it's required. Let's meet in our next lecture.